Hey guys, Miguel Subeto here, your Texas Realtor. Welcome to 4606 Rambler Way here in Midlothian, Texas. I can't wait to show you this property. Before we go in, make sure you like, share, and subscribe because I have more property tours coming. Let's go. All right guys, welcome to 4606 Rambler Way here in Midlothian, Texas. This property is going to offer you 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 2,932 square feet. It does offer you a 3-car garage, a large covered patio, oversized walk-in closets, and I can't wait for you to see the master bathroom with a large walk-in shower. Guys, the builder for this property is John Houston Homes. They have communities all over the Dallas-Fort Worth area, so if Midlothian is not an area for you, just DM me, message me, call me, and I'll be glad to find the right property for you in the right location with the right builder. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the full tour. Take care and be blessed. Hey guys, I want to thank you for staying to the end of the video. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Make sure to like and share this video to anybody that you know who's interested in buying a house here in Texas. I will have more property tours coming, and if you're interested in buying a home here, make sure to contact me. I will have all my information down below. Take care.